Hello guys, our lesson today, of course, inside our course about programming keys and ECU. So our lesson today was about instrument cluster. I moved the code from the ancient instrument to the new one. So now we can see the car is starting and everything is good as we see, guys. So here we see the security system immobilizer light is good. So everything in the car is good as we see, and this was the ancient instrument cluster, and the hands wasn't working. So now everything is good. Now as we see, it's working. So guys, this is one skill of our skills that we teach to our students in our course online. So if you're interested with this course, you can contact with us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.